the internet sustains they are the tallest structures of the ancient world. It's not true. 8 years ago, a team of Mexican and North American archaeologists rushing the jungles of Guatemala detected a city under the jungle, where the jungle is 6 times the height of that. And then they went back and they explored it physically, and they found the city they baptized as El Mirador. At El Mirador, they found the pyramid like this. They called La Danta. La Danta is 6.5 times the height of this, versus 5 times of Giza. So the tallest structure of the ancient world is now in Guatemala since 8 years ago. The fame of this is not the height. You know what's famous? How many days in the season? There are 91 days per season. There are 91 steps per side. If you multiply 91 steps times 4 is 364. And the top step shared in common, that's 365. So we believe they built that to honor their eagle, to honor the sun. You know the funny part? This is the part we cannot really guarantee. But I'm going to tell you. Señores, Chichen Itza has lots and lots of, hundreds of buildings of stone. They're all constructed like this. Look, they have a wall to the north, a wall to the south, a wall to the east, and a wall to the west. See, they're oriented to the cardinal points. This one is off 17 degrees. The first archaeologists that saw this place said they made an obvious mistake when they built that. The second guy said they made a mistake on purpose. That's where an artist signs a masterpiece. He leaves a mistake that only he knows about. And that sounded logical. The third guy said, how did they find 17 degrees? The fourth guy said, what is 17 degrees off 4? Then there was a convention, and in the convention they identified that the axle of Stonehenge, the axle of Chaco Canyon, the axle of the Palace of Cusco, the axle of the Pyramids of Giza, the axle of many ancient sites is 17 degrees off, like this. And they claim they're all clocks. This is a clock for seasons. You have to be here the 21st of March, which is the day the rain starts, or the 22nd of September, which is the day the rain ends. So you see how that clock ticks. It ticks like this, look. At the bottom left of the steps, there are 2 snake heads. Bottom left only. The top left entry, there are 2 tails supporting the entry. See, twice a year, when the sun is setting in that direction, at 4:45 p.m., the corners closest to me, which are angles like this, they break the light of the sun, and they create the image of a giant serpent of sunlight diamonds creeping down the side of the staircase. It takes 20 minutes for the snake to creep down, and it takes 20 minutes for the